October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and unless you have a family history or undergo genetic testing, many women walk around not understanding their actual risk for breast cancer. And now there's a new test that's empowering women. Circle of Health reporter Denise Tador explains.
Every year I went for a mammogram. It was a real emotional experience for me.
Dawn McCarthy's job as a beauty and lifestyle advisor is to empower women with knowledge. But when it came to learning about her own personal risk of breast cancer, she hesitated. Her mom died from it at an early age.
She was in her late 40s.
We spoke to Dawn after she decided to undergo a new screening program at RadNet. It gives her an accurate picture of her genetic and environmental risks.
It's actually always been on the forefront of my mind to get this testing done.
The most noteworthy are the breast cancer mutation genes, or BRCA1 and BRCA2.
But Dr. Jason McKellop with Breastlink Women's Imaging in Tarzana says many more genes can raise a woman's lifetime risk from 70 to 85%. But he reminds us the majority of breast cancer cases occur in women without a family history.
Patients have no heritable risk whatsoever.
You don't need a family history to look into RadNet's high-risk program, but you do need to fill out a questionnaire.
We determine if they're eligible for genetic testing. We also determine if they're at an elevated risk of breast cancer.
They take into consideration your hormones, your age when you first had your period.
An algorithm spells out a person's individual risk.
I tested negative for the BRCA gene, which was huge.
But based on her questionnaire, Dawn is given new guidance.
Her risk was 25%, so above that average risk of 12%. Anything over 20 we consider high risk. For the high risk population, we add the screening MRI once a year.
The questionnaire and consultation is covered by insurance. If a patient needs to get genetic counseling, RadNet says the out-of-pocket cost is about $100. After years of living with dread, Dawn says she feels relieved.
Knowledge is power.
In Sherman Oaks, Denise Tador, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.